just came across this right before hitting record. Totally changed my subject matter because I loved what I found here. It's not what you know, it's who you know. I'm sure you've heard that said before. When it comes to everything in the world that you know, you have a huge blind spot when it comes to what you don't know that you simply don't know. How do you overcome that obstacle in manufacturing? You fill your network full of people that you can trust to go to. And with all the rapid advances that continue to come out, it only makes sense. So I am sharing with you in this video a little bit of a tour of what you can find for free at your fingertips on the Harvey Tool website. Once you load the main website, you're going to go up here. They've got great little drop down menus on a redone site. You've got resources. On resources, you're going to click here. You see that news section? I just came across this right before hitting record. Totally changed my subject matter because I loved what I found here. And then under here, you're going to have 6 main categories: composite materials, hole making and thread milling, machining high temp alloys, micro machining, high efficiency milling, and cutting tools explained. Regardless of which one piques your interest, when you click into here, you're going to get a little bit of an overview of what they cover. You complete a form that says, hey, basically, I'm not a robot. I'm a real human being that wants to know more, and submit. Having resources that you can go to upgrade your own skills or to create a starting point to have an educated and informed conversation with a supplier in your supply chain can be groundbreaking. Plus, I mean, these are available any time of the day, not just during regular business hours. These webinars take all the experience in the Harvey Performance Catalog and bring it together to share with everyone out there, covering all the successful applications and solutions they've seen make a difference for manufacturers in the world. If you're curious to learn more, I'll pop a link in the comments below. And until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.